Let me see your bowl. Let me see yours. Yes. Yes. Yummy. Yum. Here, last one, ate. Didi, you good? What color uniform? Aloe. Green. Let me see. Yellow. Green.
You're not like a baby. You don't want to check. No!
Alright, put your clothes on out there.
Okay.
Daddy's gonna drop you off. I think Daddy is. Yeah.
Oh no. No.
Hold on.
Daddy.
Wednesday.
Puppy.
Wednesday. Oh gosh, guys. We ran out of milky. Go to the shop and buy milky. All done? There's two more. One. Good girl. And last one. Last one, beautiful. No, we still have a little bit left, but we will run out today. Put that in the laundry, please, your pajamas.
Okay.
Yay! All done! Is that the last one? Oh, good job! All done. Get up? Okay. All done. Bye-bye. See you later.
Hello guys, Mommy's gonna do my hair and I'm showing what she's doing my hair and I'm doing a rainbow.
She wants to draw too. What color? What color do you want? Blue? What color? Blue? Green? What do you say to ate? Good job. You want to draw too?
Yeah, but I'm eating on the job. I'm eating on the job.
Okay. Hindi. You can't eat it, right? Just keep going, Alo. What hairstyle, love? What hairstyle?
Can you just go right? I'm in a ponytail and then some curlers here.
Okay, so ponytail.
I can't find it.
Don't eat it. No eating?
I can't find it.
What are you doing?
It's to put it. No, I don't want to put it.
Here. You see.
Oh, yeah. I'm not doing things.
So ponytail with two curlies.
Yeah.
All done? Beautiful, ate.
There's some sauce. There's some sauce.
Alright, Alo, come on. Can you please eat more so you can put your clothes on? Quick.
Okay.
All
Yeah, I
done?
got some glasses.
Can we do your hair, Didi? Ooh, nice! This one? Ooh, so cute! Ooh, so sweet! Oh, so cute! No. I'll give you something else. Not this one.
Okay, Mama.
So pretty!
I got it.
All done?
Oh, we have it. Come on,
Wait,
let me
let
take
me
one.
finish.
I got it.
All done? All done?
Mommy.
Mommy.
That was so fire.
See? Nice. Okay.
That was so fire.
Ayo, wag mong guluhin.
Daddy,
Okay.
my face still coming. They need a hard one.
Pretty.
Okay.
Wag mong guluhin. Ay, naku naman talaga. Show the guys. Say, look. Come. Show the guys. Say, come. Happy day. Happy day. Okay, let's go. Thank you. Ay, 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 ay. Huwag guluhin ang buhok, dede. Yay. Say, ta. Ta.
I see the crossroads coming up ahead. A choice I made, but haven't made yet. Why the pathways feel so threatening? What ifs are never ending? Caught in the shadow of what might be. A future I fear, but still cannot see. Wait up, tomorrow should be easier. What if I leap and it's not what I fear? Oh. I get too nervous about the middle part, so I skip to the credits before it even starts. I know I tend to get ahead of things, but how come that I'm already at the end before it begins? Already made it to the ending before it begins.
You're doing such an amazing job being such a big girl. Slow down a little bit. You want this? No. Can you slow down a little bit? Not grow up too fast. You're getting too smart. Oy! May bunsoy! Too smart for me! Guys, good morning! Happy Friday! Just getting ready. We are going to Kmart.
Every day.
Happy day! Aww! Happy day, happy day, happy day! Happy day! Bilhin natin yung Velcro strips. Itapon ko na to, di. Wala na ba? Oh, mayroon pa. Marami pa, di. Sayang naman. Huwag muna. Bilhin natin. Meron siya sa Kmart. And hindi ako magpipick up mamaya. So, hindi ako nagmamadali. Okay lang sa akin kahit anong oras tayo pumunta. Kasi okay lang kahit late matulog si D. Kahapon kasi nahabol ko yung oras kasi I wanna make sure she gets her sleep. So, na okay lang tayo. It's 9:06. Uy. Oy. Hi. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Mama.
Baby,
Mama.
you wanna say hi to the guys?
I.
Hi. Say, I'm D. Huh? No. Don't do it, girl. Don't do it. No. Change clothes? Yes.
I'll pick
Happy day. And we'll go to Kmart. Yes, is Kmart fun? Yeah! Glabot ko anang di nga gapa kaayo niya. Manggigil man ko ani. Manggigil ba ako ani nga di? Kiss, mama. What is it? Oh, sorry, di. Sorry. I got lipstick on my di. Hello, kagwapa. Ni Gara. Oh, gwapa. Who's gwapa? Gagag. Guapa, Madi, and Guapa. Let's go. Ooh, I have been using this perfume. Kasi yung mga perfume na natira natin, mga ano na, maraming laman. This smells really good. Perfect for summer. Versace Bright Crystal. Ang bango. Who is it? Is that Dee? Where's Ayla? Where's Ayla? This one. In the middle. That's Kuya Alo. Where's Dee? Dee! Where's Ayla? In the middle. Ate, in the middle. Yes. Guys, si Ayla yung pinakamaliit. Like, maliit by weight at saka height. So, si Ayla is 47 cm. Indy and Arlo, they're the same, 49 cm. Tapos si Ayla din yung pinakamaliit by weight. So, she's 2.7 kilos. Arlo pinakamalaki, 3.3 kilos. And Indy's 3.2 kilos. And Ayla was born exactly 6 in the morning. Arlo was born 12:55. Oh my gosh, I have a story about Arlo's birth. 12:55. And then Indy is 2:38 p.m. Hoy! No. 12:55 kay Ar... Ay! Okay, let's go. Ay, tara. Ay! I have a story. Tapos biglang, agoy, hala, nahulog, di. Di, kaya ata, sabi mo di, oy. Ali. Change clothes, come on. Bah! Where's di? Bah! Pretty! Ready? Steady? Come on! Go! Ready? Say go. Go. Say go. Go. Oh, I need to return back. Go. You water?
Smiley faces in the vapor, counting corners till we get to any place but where I'm at. Every exit's getting louder. I'd assure you that it's nothing, but you never saw it coming, none of it. But then how could you now? A part of me wants you to see.
Ready?
A part of me hopes that you won't look in the mirror and find me window crying in the car home. I left you a tear on my cheek, but won't let it stay for too long. I don't wanna ruin the moment, so
I forgot a shopping bag.
before you ever notice. Gone before you ever know.
Ay, naku, ang daming magaganda sa kids. Nadidistract tayo. Punta muna tayo sa kailangan natin talaga. Let's go. Meron silang wooden frame mirror. Oh. 80 cm din yung diameter. Hindi ko lang alam gaano kabigat. Oh, here. I need a thin ones. Wait, so. Dapat manipis. Is it this? That's big. Nahanap ko naman ngayon yung paglalagyan ng mga medicine namin. Parang kailangan ko siyang i-update. So, naghahanap ako ng perfect na medicine organizer. Meron ako nakita dun kanina, parang craft storage siya. Kaya lang parang medyo maliit. It's a bit too small. Here we go. I saw something online na maganda daw. It's a stain remover. Guys, tingnan nyo naman to. Floor cleaner, antibacterial spray, stain remover. Hindi ito yung stain remover na nakita ko online. Mas maliit siya. Tapos puti lang. But look at all this. They're like cleaning sprays and clear. Ang galing, no? Ang $4 lang. Kumuha ako ng stain remover. Sana maganda. And they have laundry detergent na $4 lang. Dishwashing liquid. I don't know how good they are. First time ko sila makita. But dang. Kmart. Nahanap ko pa din yung organizer ng ating medicine. Like this.
Yeah.
Like this. Yeah. Dito na kami sa Kohl's, guys. Tapos na kami sa Kmart. And look at her. Tulog. Guys, meron silang Flamin' Hot Doritos. Parang ang sarap niyan with cream cheese. Should we get it? Okay. Kasi merong iba, merong Cheetos Hot. Pero puff. Ayoko yung puff. Ayan, oh. Speaking of. Pero puffs kasi siya. Alright, that was a successful shopping trip. Let's go home. Because we need to put the frames up. Put it up. It was good. Kasi nung patapos na ako sa Kmart, tulog si Indy. She was just sleeping in her pram. I know. Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Oh, gising pala siya, guys. Pag dating namin sa car, galing sa Kohl's, nagising siya. Oh! What? Which one?
Hey.
Hi! I just want to say hi. You want that one? Really? Yummy! That one? Say yes, please. Can you say yes, please? Now, I got blueberries. Blueberries, okay? Let's look for blueberries. I'll give it to you. Yes? Go get your high chair. High chair? Sabi niya, kaya ko to. Open? Wait. Hanapin natin yung blueberries. Ako nag-pack nito kasi kapag sila yung nag-pack, it will be in multiple bags. And because I have Indy, yeah, that's for you. Kailangan ko siyang malagay sa isang bag lang, tapos ako na bahala mag-fit ng iba. Kailangan ko siyang mapagkasya sa pram. So, I always do self-checkout if I am shopping. Kung wala akong kasama ba. Hindi ito kompleto kasi mag-shopping pa kami linggo before mag-start yung school. So, walang mga pang-ulam or ano. Ito bags. Wait. Hanapin ko yung ano. Here. Look. Yama! Okay, kami. Sit down. Not that one, baby. Not that one. Yummy! Brioche. Ito naka-sale. Ay! Kakatapos lang ng dishwashing. Very good. Ito naka-sale din. And then, bumili ako ng diba? Doritos Dynamite. Flamin' Hot pala. Saan pala yung Dynamite? Flamin' Hot pala yung pangalan ng Doritos. I got this one. So, cream cheese sana yung bibilin ko, guys. Wala akong nahanap na cream cheese at all. Kinuha ko yung creme fresh. And then, bumalik ako sa cream cheese na area kasi ibabalik ko sana yung creme fresh kapag nakahanap ako ng cream cheese. Wala akong nahanap na cream cheese. I found this instead. More. Oh, sorry. Yay! Pika! Yummy. Say ta. Ta. I found this. Meron sana silang goat cheese na to eh. But walang goat cheese. Habol ko din yung lalagyan. I don't know what am I gonna do with the lalagyan, guys. But it's just so cute. From Heritage. This is the vintage cheddar and caramelized onion dip. It comes with peppa. Meron din sila nito yung truffle in na nakita ko online na gusto ko sana itry but they don't have it. They only have this one. So gusto ko siyang itry with Doritos and with cracker. Alam mo yun? Ganyan naman. We love our cheese dips. And yeah, bumili din ako ng popcorn kasi last time nagpunta sila ng shop so wala sila nitong popcorn. So dinalawa ko na. Yan, okay lang yan. Bilhin ngayon kasi hindi naman yan ma-expire agad-agad. So, pambaon kasi yan ng kids sa school. I got grapes as well. So yeah, yung pinunta ko talaga dun is mga prutas lang talaga for the kids. So I got blueberries kasi grabe itong ating indie sa blueberries. Tingnan nyo naman yan, mauubos na niya yung isang container. And then yeah, this. Hindi ko dinamihan kasi alam ko babalik sila sa shops. And then freezer bags. Yun lang naman, bumili din ako ng napi ni D and from Kmart. Ito yung nabili natin sa Kmart. Sana magkasya-kasya naman siguro, diba? And then yung mga kailangan natin na Velcro strips. Gamitin natin yan. And then I got Ayla. Ay, sana tama to. Singlets. New singlets. So, tama yung size niya dito. Dapat 4 to 6. But last time kasi, tama yung size dito. Pero yung laman, mali. Parang may nagpalit. So, sana tama to. Hindi ko siya in-open din eh. Sinilip ko lang yung isa. Itatlo to. That's right. 4 to 6. 4 to 6. 4 to 6. Alright. Just new singlets for Ayla. Pang inner niya sa uniform. And then, ito, yung sana magkasya dun. So, itry ko muna i-fit, guys. This is gonna be my new medicine container. Kasi diniclutter ko din pala yung mga medicine namin. So, when I decluttered our pantry, diniclutter ko na din yung medicine to go through, like yung mga expired na medicine. Very important. So, sana magkasya. Yung, see? Marami na kasi Oy! Grabe ka naman. Marami na kasi nakalabas kasi hindi na magkasya. Medyo maliit yung medicine cabinet namin or medicine organizer. So, hindi na magkasya yung iba. Dami na natin kailangan i-stock ng medicine. Wait, kailangan talaga natin itong gawin today? I just wanna see if it fits. See, ito lang kasi yun. Liit lang, diba? Nope. But you know what? I can transfer. I don't have to put it there, di ba? Kasha siya dito for sure. Dito. So, dito ko na lang ilagay. Kasi gusto ko to eh. Parang... Done more? Okay, wait. There you go. Perfect! Perfect! Alright, I want to try this one. It's 11:54. Dapat lunch yung kinakain natin eh. Meron akong pork nilaga dyan. So, meron siyang pepper sa taas. Ang ganda din ng lalagyan niya. So, normally, yung lalagyan niya is... Anong tawag doon? Parang yung sa pot talaga, yung terracotta na kulay. This is a special edition one. Yeah. A special edition pot for Christmas. Smells good. May kamahalan lang to $10. Yung truffle nito yung gustong-gusto ko itry. Goat cheese ata yun na truffle. So, itry natin siya with crackers. Tapos hindi pala masarap. $10 later. That's good. That is good. With carrots, cucumber, masarap siya. Hala! Try ko siya with... Ay, hindi na talaga tayo kakain ng lunch nito. Can I try this? Oh. Alright, wait. Kainin ko nga siya na siya lang. Nakalimutan ko na. Try ko ba to? I don't remember. That's good. Hindi siya sobrang spicy. Oh yeah, spicy siya pero kayang-kaya. That's good. Alright. Try it with this. Konti lang muna. Masarap din. Ang cute din itong ano na to, pot na to. Kasi yung inside niya is parang ceramic, ano siya ba, makinis. So ganito yung kulay normally. Now, mas gusto ko tuloy matry yung truffle. Sige, kain ka lunch para hopefully matulog ka. Hindi ko magagawa yung frames, guys, kung hindi siya tulog. Kasi walang magbabantay sa'yo. Kung patong-patong ako doon, tapos bigla ka pumunta sa stairs. Paano na? Unless you promise me you're gonna be good. Are you gonna be good? Or are you gonna be a naughty kid? Are you gonna be good or are you gonna be naughty kid? You want some? You wanna try cheese? Yes? Of course you do. You wanna try? Yeah? Say ta. Ta. Good job. Say thank you. Sige. Finger. Try. And mouth. Ah. Yum. Yeah. Is that yummy? Okay, try again. Mouth. Yeah. More.
I'll be back.
Uy, what are you doing? Uy, yung mo malamig. Ay, yatombi. No. Uy. Hi, girl. Ano gusto pumunta? Ano gusto pumunta? Wala ka na nilapit. Who's that? Hindi. No!
Happy.
Hindi. Uy! Gara mo kaliwi. Can I borrow? Yes, borrow mama. Ay! Borrow! Please! Please! Borrow! Ay! Finally done. She's still awake. She keeps saying, nice, nice. Is it nice? Nice. Kanina pa niya tinuturo. Sabi niya, nice, nice. Nice? Nice. Where's Didi? Which one's Didi? Didi. Ay, ang cute. Ayan, ang ganda. Now, we still have these two. These two. Ilagay ko siya doon kung saan nakapwesto to noon. Itong dalawang to. But finally, that's up. And also, we need to get more picture frames for the stairs wall. Yes? Dito guys, kasi wala si Indy dito. So, bibili ako ng isang set pa nito and then dadagdagan ko to. Dagdagan natin ng picture ni D. So, yeah, we will need to add more here, or sa baba. We will see. But nabili ko yan sa Meijer. Ano lang yan, gallery wall. You guys, it is 8 something na. Nakapajamas na. Galing na ng swimming yung kids. And then kumain kami ng dinner. And then naligo kami. And now we're here. I'm gonna put up itong canvas nga na to. Ayan. And ilalagay ko na siya. Dala-dala ko yung camera ko actually. Galing sa baba. Kaya lang walang memory card kasi I have been transferring files. I'm trying to edit kapag may free time. And look at what I found, you guys. Hindi this. Yung green na ano natin. Hindi ko napansin. Kailan niya to ginawa? Batang bail. So, before ko to sabit, I wanna make sure na matanggal muna siya. Ay, naku. Ay, naku. Buti na lang green. Pero kahit na, di ba? Tatanggal ba? And it's done. Both sides. There you go. Let's go. Let's go downstairs. Come on.